You can expect a lot from the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a rear step bumper, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.